How to unfollow someone on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how, you may follow up the steps. So for that, you may go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you are in this interface, in the bottom right corner you should be finding Friends interface. This one right here, search bar, tap on this option with 2% profile. And once you are here, in order to unfollow pages, what you can do is at the top right corner you should be finding 3 dot, tap on it. Once you do, it gives us option to manage accounts that we follow. So go ahead and tap on that option. After that, here you should be finding the accounts that you follow. So in order to unfollow someone or those pages, you can tap on that page. And then you may just go ahead and tap on this edit option and confirm the remove yes. And that way you can remove the following of the pages. Likewise, if you want to unfriend someone, you may head over the chats and then head over to the person that you may want to unfriend. For example, this. So when you head over to their profile, at the top right corner you should be finding 3 dot, tap on it again. And there you should be finding manage friendship option, tap on it. And there you should be finding remove friend option, tap on it. After that, you need to confirm the remove and you will be able to unfollow someone on Snapchat. So that's it for now. That is how you unfollow someone on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.